This 2024 Lance TC Short Bed 865 is a truck camper RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Lance is 16 feet 5 inches in length and features Sleeps 5, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, LP detector, smoke detector, TV antenna, refrigerator, air conditioning, oven, microwave, skylight, and 30 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this truck camper features bunk over cab, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Lance TC Short Bed 865 is 2,012 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.